That's true. Actually, in an interview just before the elections, मोदी जी ने संजय पुगलिया हमारे एडिटर इन चीफ को बताया था कि डिसइन्वेस्टमेंट क्यों करना, आप देखो PSUs कंपनी के वैल्यूएशन कितने हो गए हैं, एंड देयरफॉर दे सीम टू बी मे बी नॉट नेसेसरली अगेंस्ट बट not necessarily on the path के they want to disinvest everything, seemingly so.
That was the case maybe 4 years back. अभी उनको भी मालूम है valuation बढ़ गए. हो सकता है where things may change, right?
So actually, let me ask that to you, Mr. Kela, because you were amongst the earliest and the most vocal proponents of investing in PSUs, at least from what I know, right, on the buy side. So now you've seen a rally, PSU banks में rally हुई है, PSUs में rally हुई है. Do you believe कि ये rally intact है? Would you stay invested or buy more of PSU companies?
So the narrative has changed. At that time, I was bullish maybe across the board. You buy defense, you buy railways, you buy PSU banks, anything, and one was willing to bet. I think markets going forward will become very selectively. So I can't say that you buy the entire PSU basket. I must admit and say that in some pockets the valuations are, in my humble opinion, unsustainable, because we've gone too far into the future and discounted, earnings for a very long period of time. So the kind of investor I am, अपने को तो रुपए का 4 अठन्नी नहीं मिले तब तक लेने का नहीं है, right? So I am not going to pay this kind of valuation to buy any story, right? But for instance, again, you please run the disclaimer. It's not a thing to buy. PSU banks, I am still very comfortable because they are still trading at 5-6 P multiple. If I take a 2-3 year view, their balance sheets have improved significantly. A lot of them have 18 to 20% ROE, and they are still trading at one-time book value. If I take a 2-3 year view, there could still be an opportunity. So I don't think it's a basket case of buying entirely PSU or selling. In fact, I feel really sad because a lot of retailers are buying this random, right? कुछ भी लेने का है. Some of the PSU finance companies have become more expensive than HDFC Bank and Axis Bank. I can't figure out in my head that is why that is possible.
Yeah, well, and